You don't own your life anymore. You think you're choosing what to watch, what to think, and what to buy. You're not. You're just a puppet reacting to red dots and infinite scrolls. Your focus is gone. Your patience is dead. You can't even sit in a quiet room for 5 minutes without itching to check your phone. That's not boredom. That's addiction. You've fried your brain's ability to feel anything real because you're too busy chasing 15-second hits of garbage. So we're shutting it all down. 72 hours, no screens, no junk food, no background noise, no escapes. Let's see who you actually are when you aren't being fed a distraction every 10 seconds. The first day is going to be miserable. Your brain is used to a constant fire hose of stimulation. When you turn it off, you're going to feel a physical weight. You'll be irritable, restless, and frustrated. This is the crash. Without the digital noise to drown it out, your own life is going to get very loud. Every failure you've been ignoring and every insecurity you've been scrolling past is going to come right to the surface. Most of you will quit here. You'll make an excuse, pick up your phone, and go back to being numb. Because facing yourself is a lot harder than watching another video. Day 2 is the psychological trap. The initial excitement of the challenge is gone, and the boredom becomes aggressive. This is where your brain starts to negotiate. It will tell you that you've learned your lesson or that you need to check something urgent. It's lying. It's just a junkie begging for a fix. In this phase, time will slow down. An hour will feel like 4. If you can sit through this discomfort without breaking, you're finally starting to regain control. Most people never see the other side of this wall. If you stay in the fire until day 3, the fog finally starts to lift. You'll notice things you haven't seen in years. The way the air feels, the taste of actual food, the clarity of a single thought. You don't need a productivity hack or a fancy planner. You just need a nervous system that isn't burnt out. Focus is your natural state. You just traded it for cheap entertainment. True freedom isn't about having more options. It's about being able to sit in a silent room and not feeling the desperate need to run away from yourself. The 72 hours are up. The screen is back on. But don't get it twisted. You aren't cured. The world is still designed to keep you sedated and compliant. If you go back to the same mindless habits, you've learned nothing. You're just a clean addict walking straight back into a trap. The noise is coming for you again. Are you going to let it win? Or are you finally going to take control of your own head?